To get the most out of Quicken Simplifi, start by setting up your account and linking all your financial institutions to the platform. This will give you a comprehensive view of your financial situation and enable you to track your spending, income, and savings. Begin by navigating to the dashboard, where you can see an overview of your accounts, including your checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and investments. From here, you can click on each account to view more detailed information, such as your current balance and recent transactions. Next, set up your budget by categorizing your expenses and assigning targets for each category. This will help you stay on track with your spending and ensure you are allocating your money effectively. Quicken Simplifi also offers a feature called Bill Tracker, which allows you to track your upcoming bills and stay on top of your payments. Another key feature of Quicken Simplifi is its ability to track your savings goals. You can set up specific goals, such as saving for a vacation or a down payment on a house. And the platform will help you stay on track by providing you with regular updates and reminders. To get the most out of Quicken Simplifi, it is essential to regularly review and update your account information. This will ensure that your data is accurate and up to date, and that you are getting the most out of the platform's features. Additionally, take advantage of Quicken Simplifi's reporting features, which provide you with detailed insights into your spending habits and financial trends. These reports can help you identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and optimize your budget. By following these steps and utilizing the features and tools offered by Quicken Simplifi, you can gain a deeper understanding of your financial situation and make informed decisions about your money. This will help you achieve your financial goals and improve your overall financial well-being.